Hi guys, it's Marcus here from CountryWoodSmoke, and I'm here with my friend Phil from Meter. And how you doing, mate? And today we're going to have a look at what you do when you first get your Meter Plus. So Meter Plus has arrived, new one in the box, and I guess you get a lot of people asking questions about how to set it up. There is advice, isn't there? There's instructions, but sometimes people just want to see a video, and I think that's what we'll do today, show people a few tips and you know what to do when they first get their meter.
Absolutely, yeah.
Does that sound good plan? Cool. So, comes in a nice box like that. I always struggle a little bit with this. Usually get a knife. I've got big clumsy fingers, so it's a bit fiddly for me this, but a knife, run it along there, then put it out. Put the knife down so we don't stab you.
Yeah.
There we go. Ooh. So it's got a nice instruction leaflet there. That covers it all, doesn't it?
It does, yeah. So everything you're going to need to set up is in there. But what we're going to do is just make it a little bit more easy to follow, nice and easy, so you can watch it sitting down, unpacking your new meter.
A lot of people get instructions, like especially us blokes, and they just put them down and don't read them. So with the meter, it's really important to read the instructions, isn't it?
I'm very much guilty of that myself.
Yeah, me too. But hopefully this will help a few of you. If you're not doing that, you want a video to watch what we're doing. So,
cool.
So here's the meter, pop it out the box, and it comes nice and shiny like that. And it's got a tag on here that says, attention, always insert into meat past this line to avoid damage. So there's a little line on here, isn't there? So this little tag needs to come off, but it shows you where the meter needs to be inserted to in the meat, and that's really important.
Yeah, and the reason that's important is because to get the Bluetooth usability that we've got in the meter, there's a lot of technology that has to be miniaturized. So what that does by inserting to that line is it keeps all of that technology a safe distance away from direct heat and enables the meter to work properly while it's in process.
Lovely, perfect. So what's important when you first start using it is to charge it, right, Phil?
Yep. Yeah, so you should leave your charger in the block with the battery tab removed for 4 hours before use. That will enable the probe to be fully charged and ready to go for your first cook.
Yeah. So once that's charged, mate, that's ready to go, isn't it? 4 hours, like you said, and you can start cooking on that straight away.
Absolutely.
Take that out, pop that into your meat. But what is important, I always forget to talk about, it's the Meter app. So get the Meter app on your phone and make sure that's downloaded. And before you use it for the first time, you've got to check that it's updated.
Yeah.
So
what I would recommend doing, open the app while you're charging in the first instance. Make sure it's connected, your phone is connected to Wi-Fi. Update the app, make sure everything's ready to go when you then open the meter and get it ready to go. You don't want to end up having to wait while your meat's ready to go, your meter's fully charged, but your phone needs to take 10 or 20 minutes to sort it out.
Absolutely. With good Wi-Fi as well. So.
Exactly.
Yeah. So then that is ready to cook. Once you've got your app sorted, your meter probe charged, you're ready to go. And that is how you have your first cook with the Meter Plus. And it's pretty much the same with the meter block as well.
Yep. The only difference is with the meter block, you've got the option between Wi-Fi and Bluetooth. So the Meter Plus, it gives you the ability to be 50 meters away when you cook. This is only limited by the depth of the Wi-Fi signal, which is, these days, quite a long way.
Yeah. Brilliant. There we go. So hopefully that's helped you with your first cook using a Meter Plus or a meter block. Cheers. Thank you.